The government of Jamaica is committed to the deployment and use of body-worn cameras for the Jamaica Constabulary Force, and indeed, where necessary, for the JDF. There is no conflict, there is no indecisiveness. It is something that we are doing and will continue to do. So I want the country to be assured that the government is 100% committed to having body-worn cameras become a standard feature of the police officer's kit. We have in procurement now over $200 million for cameras. And we procured last time about $70 million worth of cameras. And we continue to procure. So for us to deploy cameras, it is not about the deployment of the camera. The camera is the least of the system of being able to capture real-time footage of police doing their duties. First of all, we have to build a back end to store the data. We need to have a data center.